So this video is designed to give a brief introduction on Doppler effect and its uses in engineering. Let's start from a definition. Doppler effect is a change in the observed frequency of a wave, as of sound or light, occurring when the source and observer are in motion relative to each other. It's used in medicine, policing, astronomy, and weather forecasting. One of the easiest ways to understand Doppler effect is through the diagrams. When an object such as a moving vehicle approaches the observer, the stationary observer measures a higher frequency than that emitted by the source. Mathematically wise, we use a displayed formula to calculate the observed frequency with a plus sign when the object is approaching the observer, and the minus sign once it has passed. My favorite example is a passing vehicle, so that the observer is stationary, as you can hear the sound of the engine starts at high pitch, and once the scooter passes the observer, the shift in frequency occurs and the sound becomes lower pitch. Doppler radar utilizes the properties of wave motion to measure velocity of objects at a distance. To do so, it sends a microwave signal towards the vehicle and then receives its reflection, and simple math equation can help us to understand how to analyze the frequency that was altered by vehicle's motion. Since Doppler frequency is defined as the difference of measured frequency and emitting frequency, it equals to the equation displayed above. Here, velocity as measured by the speed gun is calculated as half of Doppler frequency divided by the quotient of emitted frequency and the speed of light in the medium. So every time you're doing this, you'll get a letter from local authorities. Astronomers use Doppler shifts in terms of frequencies of waves to calculate how fast stellar objects move towards or away from Earth. For instance, NASA fires a laser 28 times per second to measure Moon's velocity relative to Earth, and another example are the spectral lines emitted by hydrogen gas-inducing galaxies that are often observed to be considerably redshifted. This provides evidence for a Big Bang theory, since they're moving away.